wozala shala wozala sidla ubusha wozona.
The safety you need and the fun you want. There's space for every fun in the Toyota Starlet.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting. itiskitimes.co.za. Athlone Stadium, Stellenbosch, nil, Orlando Pirates 2. Umdlalo webethu Premiership Match Day 27. Namhlanje, isizini yekuvalweni. Isizini yekuvalweni. On the other side, Arsenal nil, Atletico Madrid nil. We will talk, mhlawumbi. By the time the interview, Mr. Nkeo, there will be something good happening at the Emirates Stadium. Bobsin, madibulisa mfowethu kunjani?
Mngani wami right.
Yeah.
Why ungagcokanga incathulo zakho mngani wami? Ini. Yashisa eCape Town mngani wami.
Mfowethu.
Yeah. No, ngiyabona ukuthi lento mayingayenziwa le eCape Town kule yankundla wena kwamele ugcina amasiko la. Kanti usayagcoka incathulo mngani wami.
Bobsin,
Madam.
let's dive into it, mhlobam. Let's dive into it. Athlone Stadium, Orlando Pirates, Stellenbosch. Ubone njani umdlalo namhlanje?
Yeah, Shane mnganami ithi ngibulisa amadoda la studio.
Yeah.
Ngiyacabanga wena kudinga vele ukuthi ngibuze mnganami. Ngiyabona ukuthi isihlathi sivakashela izindlebe mnganami. Kuhamba kahle but. So mnganami ngiyacabanga ukuthi Orlando Pirates they deserve a win.
Yeah.
Ithi ngibabongise Shane.
Yeah.
Coach wadu technical team yonke iphelele. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi kumele ngibanikeze credit and the players basebenzile Shane from the first whistle. If you can check Orlando Pirates the way approach the game ngakhona bekukutshela ukuthi bafuna early goal. That's how Orlando Pirates idlala ngakhona. Bazazi ukuthi sometimes kuba nzima uma babuya second half bangaskoranga. So they make sure ukuthi kumele bathole igoli as soon as possible. Ubonile ukuthi webe barasha ngakhona badlala bafana nabo already. I think first half he played very well already first half. The way ngimbone adlala ngakhona kule last side because uma unomdlalo ofana no really ukwazi ukuthi ungamdlalisa kuma side ahlukene umdlalise as a number 10 kukunikeza iadvantage Shane. Ukumbona a change lawo ma position first half mawungabheka the way bekaletha lawo mabhola ku police ngapha unomdlalo ofana noTito kulela side uletha lawo mabhola eboxini because kunongwana sesi namhlanje they understand ukuthi ungwana sesi ugood kuma aerial ball. So kusho kona ukuthi I game plan eOrlando Pirates ukuthi you know what njengoba sinongwana sesi today badlala bafana naboTito kumele balisebenzise lela box and kubasebenzele lokho uma ungabheka uTito dewadlala ngakhona he played very well. A lot of players ku Orlando Pirates today badlala kahle kakhulu Shane but ngifuna ukunikeza icredit kule defense Orlando Pirates. Yabona today Shane umunye umuntu angayibheka mhlawumbe ngenye indlela but hamba ubheka usibisi ukuthi udlale kahle kakhulu kangakanani Shane ubheke uCM dewadlala ngakhona well deserved man of the match kuSibelebile beka winner wonke ama battles ukuthi yonke ibhola efika kuye beka make sure beka interceptor beka blocker beka enza yonke into and after winning the ball uyalisebenzisa uSibelebile. It's either wenzani ungena phakathi because beka ngekho more kulela line today uma ungambheka namhlanje because lela line belinomdlali ofana noApolis anokulisebenzisa because uyazi ukuthi iOrlando Pirates most of the time inokuthi ingamsebenzisi lela side for ukuvulela iRight back yabo ukuthi lisebenzisa but today wenza umsebenzi wabalula kakhulu uSibelebele Shane. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi uyayideserve le man of the match. So give credit kule defense Orlando Pirates. AboMakhehleni Makhawula they played very well Shane because uma uyobona iStellenbosch singakhoni nokudlala in the middle of the park kunabadlali abafana nabomthiyane bagcina batholakala baba substitute kusho kona ukuthi Shane iOrlando Pirates kuningi bayikwenza okuright because bebangadlali bebadlala as a team beba understand ukuthi yini into kumele bayenze. So ngicabanga ukuthi uma ungabheka the way iOrlando Pirates bengakhona if iStellenbosch iwin ibhola they make sure ukuthi ba press iStellenbosch quick and Stellenbosch asakhona ukudlala because asina number up front uma ungabheka if akuyo functiona umdlali uTitus go right iStellenbosch because olethu uTitus noButsaka noLangelihle Phili bonke labadlali abalapha mangathi yabheka abazange lama winger aba asebenze. uLangelihle Phili kumele adrag abuyi azo assista umdaka kumele ukuthi abuye ulo uphuthaka kumele babuye bazodropa bazo-assista liya because bebangana number going forward because of logo bafuna ukudefenda they understand ukuthi cishe bafuna ukudlala ngalesikhathi badlala neMamelodi Sundowns. Unfortunately Orlando Pirates it's not easy ukuthi ungashaya recover. Orlando Pirates are very quick than iMamelodi Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns izothi mayisathi build up then babuya ba recover. That is why kube nzima for bona ukuthi kube lula for bona ukuthi bavale lawo ama space, but for Orlando Pirates bekungekho kube lula because iquick Orlando Pirates chain.
Bengisakulondawo bobuzini ukuthi iOrlando Pirates intoni yenze right because the approach yeSellenbosch besingaqala ibona namhlanje we saw it at Loftus. So iOrlando Pirates intoni yenze right namhlanje in order to get those goals against Stellenbosch. Sundowns had also opportunities to score, but Orlando Pirates, what did they do right namhlanje in order to bypass the midfielder block yeStellenbosch?
Shane, ukuletha le front three, Patrick Tito Maswanganyi, uletha uRele, uletha aPolice. Obvious uzoyidraka le defense le midfield yeStellenbosch ukuthi ibuye. And lokho kwenza ukuthi kube nzima for iStellenbosch ukuthi they interchange ama position. Aborila umthola endaweni eyi1. That is why uengineer Mongambeka bekubanzima bekamakha uma ngabe uRila uhlezi la line but uRila ukhatha in kunala uRila uzomthola dlala as a 10 uyakhona ukumbalekela lo yamdlali so kunzima ukuthi angamlandela because uyazi ukuthi kumele agade kuleya position otherwise manga sebenzisa lesa space bazobuya bondaba basebenzise so ngicabanga ukuthi Orlando Pirates into eyisebenzise kakhulu ukuthi labadlali bangabanikezi lento ukuthi mangabe uMakhurilo ubonile uRila second half ubuyile yazodlala kulela side la ka left la khona ubona ukuthi nini ukwa right nini uphakathi so ngicabanga ukuthi into ebayenzile right yiloko nokuba ne game plan ukuthi njengoba abanongwana sisi kumele bamdlalise kanjani up front bazi phela uma ungana sesazokwazi ukuheada lela bhola phakathi kwakalibusa nonda kumele ukutshele something because leya two center back yenye solid and i good nayo ireal but ubonile ukuthi iOrlando Pirates ikwenze kwabalula for bona so nangendlela enye futhi ngibone ngathi Orlando Pirates kumele ukuthi maybe ngakwenza Shane ngiya understand ukuthi amagoli abalekile but the way labadlali barana ngakhona aboreli nabo aPolice sometimes ngathi ungaba banga control ibhola abadlali ubani umbatha noma Khawula nje bake ba relax balinoke bayimanage le game but akusi play Orlando Pirates sengikhulumela mhlambe le energy yalabadlali because uyambona noReal ugcina hluthuke and he was lucky today ukuthi angayitholi red card because first half kune foul ayenzile and ngiya understand ukuthi uyahluthuka uboy because uyakhahlelwa mfowethu uyashaywa uReal so ngicabanga ukuthi akumelanga ukuthi agcina hluthuka afika lapho because yena is a attacker and yena vele bazomtargeta ekugcineni uma thola red card yilaba ifuna khona iOrlando Pirates ngicabanga ukuthi kumele mhlawumbe i-technical team iOrlando Pirates izama ukumchazela ukuthi akayihlise kancane because kunala khona ngibone bekumele athole enye second yellow la azoshale out ngedolo uengineer so uyabona ukuthi uyahluthuka because naye but today angibonanga lamajita am-attacker mhlambe ngamathekile so bekumele ukuthi ayehlise emidlalo ofana noReal so ngizama ukusho Shane ukuthi uma unalabadlali abafana nalabo abakwazi ukuthi kumele benzeni uma ngabe bafika mhlambe ehafini opponent I think it's good for Orlando Pirates but they must manage game ngendlela right because the more they keep on running bakhathala noma bakhathala benza nama foul unnecessary bagcina bathola amakhadi baba suspended Shane
Umthiyani bobuzini uqale kahle le season still remember the game he played Mbombela against the same Orlando Pirates in the MTN8 final.
Yeah,
he played so well in that game. But I don't want to say ever since Coach Steve Barker left, but I think even before Coach Steve Barker left the Stellenbosch, when the Stellenbosch were losing games and they were also on the brink of relegation, I think performance ka boy what do you think caused that? Bobzi ukuthi kubekho deep kwi-form yakho mfana.
Shane angazi yazi ilombuzo bengizibuza wona ngomthiyana ukuthi umthiyana bokumunye bengicabanga ukuthi uma le season leyiphela uma bathi bakhuluma ngama midfield of the season it's one of abadlali abangabakhona but mawungabheka iperformance yakhe angazi mhlawumbe ukuthi khona into emaffectayo kuleya team okanjani because yes ukufika kwa coach Barker kuhamba kwa coach Barker nako ngasho ukuthi kumaffectile because kunabanye abadlali banoku-understand abo-coach abathize but as a professional soccer player kumele u-understand ukuthi bo-coach bayafika bayahamba wena nje kuphela kumele ukuthi u-understand ukuthi u-coach ukulethela ini uzanani ethimini wena kumele ukuthi umnikeze lokhu kumele ukuthi umnikeze kona so ngicabanga ukuthi kukhona man ngicabanga ukuthi kuye kwam-affecta maybe if bekathole injury waya ku-injury bengizothi maybe leya injury menze angikhumbuli umthiyana athole injury I stand to be corrected Shane but ngicabanga ukuthi izinto ezinjalo zingam-affecta that is why ubona namhlanje bayamkhipha baletha uvuyo lwethu Andries. What a player Shane, jersey number 5 Shane. Loya Mchita loya ngimbone kakhulu ku TDC. Ngimbone kakhulu ku TDC adlala nabo Fires. Loya Mchita he's good man. Ukuread igame le Antwana. And una 21 years. Andries. So uyabona ukuthi ngizome Stenko uma ngitshela ngithi mina why bamletha kule simo 2-0 down wathi Bobo sometimes as a player kuze ukuthi ubonakala ukuthi good sometimes bakuletha kulezimo ezifana nalezi and he showed ukuthi yena he can play njengoba uMstenko bekaseceda ukusho hamba uyobheka ukuthi udlale kanjani uvuyo lwethu Andries udlale kahle kakhulu Shane kuleya 6 position because he was distributing amabhola bekwazi ukuthi ngispositiona kanjani ishapes ikhipha kanjani if singana position so I think it's good for Stellenbosch ukuletha labadlali because yena nje no Fires ngibabonile babalethile babeka ku TDC today nanoma nje ngambonanga kakhulu Fires but uyakhona ukubona ukuthi they are good ku development yabo i-team efana neStellenbosch I think uBoy mangathola more game time uzosinikeza something kuleya team eStellenbosch
Bowzini, thank you so much, my brother, for your analysis. Massival. Stellenbosch 0, Orlando Pirates 2. There's a big game tomorrow, Loftus Stadium, 7:30. Mamelodi Sundowns is a Samgela ge Kaizer Chiefs. Ngumdlalo omkhulu lo 7:30. Bowzini, I'm about to close off my show.
Sure, ungibuzile. Ngiyabonga Mr. Nkiw, it's a sold out Shane.
Bowzini, I'm about to close off my show.
Ngiyavuma Shane.
I'm the host of the show.
Ngicela just only 2 seconds Shane.
Take 2 seconds mfowethu.
Ufisa kwinele iqembu kusasa.
Nini?
Njengoba kudlala bomakhelwane nabantu basePitori. Phela manje Pirates uMike Cape Town. Kune pain elendile. Yayolenda kwamanye ama team awu2 la kule country but ukuthi wapi My Pirates ishala amagoli angazi Shane so ngibuza wena ukuthi kusasa uyobube kuliphi side Shane ngicela ungitshele kahle ungangibalekeli mngani wami
intando yakho mayenzeke Thixo intando yakho Thixo mayenzeke ngomse Loftus Stadium
uzothanda umuntu ongamthandi kusasa Shane
Shitsomkile bezawutsho kwa
uzobe inkosi kusasa
no
uzobe inkosi awuthanda ungathandi mngani wami uzoba na ushaya marawai
okay. Tomorrow we'll bring you that game. We'll bring you analysis. Yalo mdlalo omkhulu ngomso. It's Mamelodi Sundowns and the Kaizer Chiefs at the sold out Loftus Stadium. Sundowns umdlalo wayo 28. Match day 28 for bona tomorrow because they need to close off this season, the Premiership season just before badlala first leg WCAF Champions League against Asfar. Remember, Sundowns with Gqibela. It's on the 12th of May. I think it's going to start just before a few days before badlala la final WCAF Champions League. But namhlanje Athlone Stadium at the sold out Athlone Stadium, Bobzin, right?
Yeah, sold out.
Okay. Stellenbosch 0, Orlando Pirates 2. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola Bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi Bafethu, I'm a coach for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, subscribe to Itiski TV.